Yes, I know that. Oh God, I have 1% battery. Uh, Hello, what do I say? What to say in this situation? Today we are going to discuss different English phrases and sentences that you can use when you are talking on the phone. Hey, I'm Ronja and welcome to my channel. And yes, if you're new or if you have not subscribed yet, please do subscribe and don't forget to click the bell icon so that when I upload my video, you get the message and you don't miss it. So first, let's start with what to say when I want to call someone or when my phone is ringing and I want to pick up the phone. Well, when I want to call someone, I'll say I want to make a call. And when my phone is ringing, excuse me, I have to take this call. So take a call. You can also say answer the call or receive the call. We often get confused with this. Now this is sorted. So now we are going to discuss different situations and I'm also going to tell you two cool words that you can use with your friends so that your English sounds super trendy. Okay, now let's discuss the first situation. As we were discussing, I don't have charge on my phone, so what do I do? I will say, my battery will get over, my battery will end. No. We will say, hey, my battery is about to die. Can a battery die? Yes, it can. If it is a mobile phone. There are specific phrases and sentences that are related to the mobile phone, and we are going to discuss all of them in this video. So, we will say, hey, my battery is about to die. Can I call you after charging my phone? Do add a sorry. Sorry for the inconvenience. You can also say, hey, my battery is running low. I may lose you any moment. And then, of course, you will add, can I call you after charging my phone? Sorry for the inconvenience. I will lose you any moment means we won't be connected anymore. So I won't be able to talk to you. Moving on to the second situation. Yeah? What? Huh? Network issue. We all face this, don't we? But what do we say in this situation? We can say, sorry, your voice is breaking. I can't hear you clearly. Voice is breaking. Another phrase that is related to the mobile phone. So we can hear a few words and then we don't hear the next few words. So you can also say, I can hear you in pieces. Or of course, you can say, hello, I can hardly hear you, or I can barely hear you. Now, what will you do when I tell you this? You will immediately run to the balcony or to another room, or you will call me back. But what will you say? Well, you don't say, you ask a question. You can ask, am I audible now? Audible, that's the word. Audible means can be heard clearly. If you find it difficult to remember, you can simply ask, am I loud and clear now? Or even more simple, can you hear me clearly now? Talking about network problems, we face another problem. What? Unintentionally, the call ends. It ends on its own thanks to the network issue. So what do? I call you back and what do I say? Sorry, we got disconnected. Disconnected is the word that you can use. You can also say, sorry, we got cut off. Now, suppose we both are talking. I have called you and we both are talking, and just at that time, someone else is calling me. Now, that call is very important. I want to receive the call. But what do I tell you so that you don't feel bad? So, I can tell you, if you don't mind, I have another call coming through. Don't forget the through. Okay, if you don't mind, I have another call coming through. Can I call you back or can I call you later? Now, another situation is when I am talking to you and I want you to wait. Maybe I need to go and get a pen because I want to write down some information that you'll give me. Or my mother comes and wants to tell me something very urgent, and we can't say no to our mothers. So basically, I want you to wait. So what do? See, if it's an informal relation, then you're my friend, so I can say, hang on for a second. But if it is a formal relation, then I can say, just a minute, please, or one moment, please. But don't forget to say, sorry to keep you waiting once you start talking to the person again. Now, suppose I have called my teacher, my boss, colleague, or I have called someone for the first time, meaning it's a formal call, and the person tells me, sorry, I can't talk to you now, I am busy. So I ask, okay, then when can I call you? So instead of asking this, you can ask, when is a good time to call? This sounds much more polite. But what to do if someone is going on talking? I have some work now, I have a class or meeting or some work, I don't want to talk anymore. But how do I tell this to the person so that, the person doesn't feel bad? You can say, hey, it was great talking to you, but I have a class now, so we'll catch up later. But we can catch up anytime. You can contact me on my Facebook page or on Insta. I'll put the links in the description box. You can write to me even in the comment section. Oh yes, and the two words that I wanted to tell you. See, you often say, I'll call you. Instead of that, you can say, I'll give you a buzz or give me a buzz. And instead of saying you message me or you text me, you can say ping me. But remember, both these words are informal words, so you use it only with your friends. But do use them and do click the like button if you like this video. Subscribe to my channel for more such interesting videos and don't forget to click the bell icon. See you soon. Till then, bye-bye and happy learning.